Ayan, hello! Welcome again to my channel. Thank you, thank you. This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong malindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. O, diba? Well, I make this video because I would like to thank to my members, not a blogger. Thank you so much for your connecting me. Of course, I love you. I love you. Thank you so much. Ayan. What is it? I read his name for joining to my channel. Thank you, Steven Flores. Hi, Steven. Steven, thank you for joining to my channel. Okay, Steven Flowers. I don't know, please one time, or can you please make me a message so I know who are you, okay, so I can say thank you with you. And Blue Sky, thank you also, Blue Sky, thank you. And thank you, Blue Sky, I know you already, okay. And Matthew Mataira from Canada, hi Matthew, thank you so much, Matthew, I love you also. Matthew, please, can you please text me also, so I want to say in person, in message, thank you so much, okay. And Robinenska, thank you. I know you already. You're very supportive, generous. Thank you also, Robinska. I love you also. And of course, Mr. Nick Greek. Ayan, Nick Greek. Yamas. Thank you, Nick Greek. Nick Greek is also very generous. Thank you, Nick Greek. And of course, Justin, my sweetheart. Justin Battle. Justin Butler. Thank you. Justin Butler. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for your support with me for a long time. Please text me also, okay? Guys, I love you. I love you for all of you. Steve Flowers, Blue Sky, Matthew, and Robinaka, Nick Greek, and Justice. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.